Day 24 of month of May. This week is going by quick. As I said in my last video, I got some goodies today, or yesterday, the day before was it? No, yes, yesterday. I got the new alternator bracket. So today I am going to pull the old alternator bracket off the motor, pull the alternator off obviously, and get this out of the package and mount it on the car, and we'll see how things fit. All right, so here's the kit. One nice thing I like about ICT Billet is their packaging is very minimal, very environmentally friendly. So it's literally just bolts onto the front of the head, and away it goes. Nice brackets. It's a little tight. That sucks. Double check that I didn't use the wrong one. That one fits there, but I don't think that one fits here. No, this one's too thick. All right, I'm gonna have to figure that one out. So, in the meantime, once I know what I'm doing, that looks so much better. And then we'll have to figure out this bottom one. Yeah, I'll probably have to take this and have it machined down. Still too long. All right, well, we'll leave that for now. And we'll take this back over to the head. All right. Hopefully this stuff isn't all in the way like it looks like it's going to be. All right, you know what? You are in my way. My overflow tank is going to be in the way, which is not a big deal. So I'm going to have to move that a little bit. Again, no big deal, I just got to do it. I don't think this is going to be an issue. Perfect. It's going to chase those those bolts on the head out. But yeah, that's not bad. So it does, well, that's going to be, oh no, that's the right way. There is a tensioner on this side. I got to pull off the other water pump, or the other bracket. So, but this will work out okay, a lot better than I expected it to, but that'll also give me a lot more room under here for my exhaust, or for the manifold. So, bonus, I think. And since the belt does wrap around and then come back and go down, that's not like there's a belt hanging out flapping in the way. I wish I could have the tensioner here, or somewhere around here. I could probably modify it to do that, but I don't think I'm going to. I am happy. Just got to extend the alternator wire over to here. That's also going to give me probably a little bit better heat transfer. So it's not sitting in front of the air conditioner, or the, not the air conditioning, the manifold, or below the manifold. I approve. All right, so day 24, month of May, I have turned on or installed the alternator bracket. I have that all set up. As you can see, it is all configured, all set up. I just need to figure out this machining for the idler on the pulley, and then move the bracket over here to the water pump, over onto this right here. And then I can continue on with everything else. In the meantime, tomorrow I have acquired some more stuff that I've been waiting for. One being this exhaust ball and socket, to see if maybe this will work. And the other being the bellow. But that's tomorrow's video. For now, I am done for the night in here. I got lots of other things I still have to do. So in the meantime, this will be 24, month of May. And we'll catch you tomorrow.